Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share with you my splurge. So I know that I've been trying to bring less and less into my craft room, and all of you know how difficult that can be. And yeah, silly me, I went ahead and signed up for the monthly card kits from Simon Says Stamps, and this is my first monthly kit. So let me tell you just a little bit about the kits and how the club works. You do pay a monthly fee. They will send you an email a couple of weeks ahead of time. You can view the kit. You can decide if it's something that you want. If you want it, you don't do anything, and it will just ship out to you in the normal course. If you decide you don't want the kit for any reason, you can respond to the email and let them know you want to skip that month. Or if you want to put your kit on pause for a couple of months, you can do that as well. You also can cancel it anytime. And to be honest with you, I don't remember what the kits cost, but if you do the monthly subscription, it actually is discounted from the regular price if you just buy it on their website. So the reason that I did this is because my sister Lisa occasionally gets some of these kits. She is not a monthly subscriber, but she enjoys the kits, and I think she said she buys the exclusive kits when they are on sale or something to that effect. And I always enjoy creating with her when she does that, so I decided that I would sign up for the kit and do a little bit more card making throughout the year, and I'm hoping that this is going to kickstart that for me. So without further ado, let's dig in, and I am going to show you what comes in the kit. So it does come in this nice box, and most of the items were packaged in a brown paper bag folded over with a little thank you note on the top, and you also get a little sucker with it too, but I've already eaten the sucker. Okay, so I'm going to put the box aside, and it always comes with a little project page here, and it tells what's in the kit. And I'm going to squish my camera in a little bit so we can get a better look at this and the goodies when I pull them out of the box. So give me just a second. Okay, so these are some of the projects that are suggested to be created, and they are all done by awesome crafters that many of us know. This is Susie Plantamura, Heather Hoffman, Sherry Carroll, Tina Smith, Kathy Zilski, and Nina Marie Trampani, which I don't think I've heard of her before, but look at these gorgeous cards. And if I can recreate even one of these and have it look half this nice, I am going to be super happy. So down here at the bottom, it tells you what's included. So anyway, let's take a peek at what's in the box, and I'll refer back to this if I can't identify something. So the very first thing that came in the package is this little jar of distress glitter in tinsel, and this is super fine glitter. And let me tell you something. Yeah, when I unpacked this and took the top off, it had a little seal on there, and I learned my lesson. When you open these super fine jars of glitter, be very careful when you pull that seal off, because what happened to me is I went poof, and I had an explosion of glitter. Oh my, I'm still wiping it up off my craft mat here. So yeah, it's very pretty, but definitely be careful opening this jar. So that came in the kit. Also in the kit came this Ranger Distress Paint in tarnished brass. So that's going to be really pretty to use. You get a small bottle of glossy accents. You do receive 4 of the mini pads of the Positively Saturated Simon Says Stamp inks. This came in honey, cabbage, sangria, and petunia. So I'm happy to add those to my stash. There is a coupon here for $5 off of the next order, and then they have a list of a lot of the products that they sell. And I did, by the way, purchase 2 things separate, which I'll share at the end. And let's see here. It came with a paintbrush to use with the paint. It came with 2 stamp sets. This one is called Small Thanks. And I'm going to try to do this so that I'm not catching the glare. But you have a whole bunch of sentiments on here, as well as the word thanks in lowercase. You get it in bold uppercase. You get it in this beautiful scripty font with the little heart swirl there. And then you get this bold thanks in lowercase. And then there are a couple of little heart stamps there as well. So that is the small thanks set. Then you also receive this gorgeous set of stamps here, and this is Happy Thanksgiving, love and blessings, grateful, thankful for you, to count blessings among, it has all kinds of stamps on there, and beautiful script fonts. And then you also get this bouquet of wheat, and it's tied with a little bow there. And this one's called Counting Blessings. Gorgeous set. You also get this red maple thanks die set, and you get the beautiful maple leaf here. You get the word thanks, and you also get the shadow piece there. So that's really nice. Love that. And then you get a stencil set. Now this has 4 pieces. It's called Red Maple, and I'm not going to take these out, but you know how the stencils work. You layer each one up, and I'm assuming you would use these gorgeous inks to ink that up, so that's lovely. Then it also came with a pack of 6x6 papers, and this I'm going to look on the sheet. This is called you get 10 double-sided sheets of Craft Consortium Metal Textures 6x6 pattern papers. So we'll look at these really quickly. Beautiful. A lot of them are metallics or metals, and some have rust and patina on them. Some have scratches. Just really, really awesome colors for fall crafting. And this may not be up everybody's wheelhouse, but I actually love these colors, and I think these would be great for fall crafting. Okay, very, very cool. And the last one is this one here. So those are the 6x6s that come in the set. You get 1 piece of very heavy-duty metallic gold foil, so that's really awesome. And then you get 2 sheets of cardstock. This is a dark teal, and it feels like it may be like 80, 85 pound cardstock. I'm not sure if it says here. It doesn't say on the paper that came with it, but it's a nice quality, and it looks like it's solid core. And then you also get this cream colored cardstock, and it feels like it's probably 100 or 110, and this is for your card bases. So that's everything that came in the kit. And then to go along with the kit, I actually purchased the die sets that will go along with this stamp set and this one. And you can see how that looks there. Small thanks and counting blessings. So that's what comes in the October Simon Says stamp set. Give thanks, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these products. Keep watching my channel for a couple cards or other projects that I come up with. And thanks for hanging around with me today, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.